Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Soni and I make makeup and fashion related videos. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna recreate this makeup look by Mickey Tutorial. You can see here. I will say you clearly, it won't be same. She's a makeup queen and I'm nothing in front of her, so I will try my best to recreate this look. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, now let's get started with the video. I've already moisturized and primed my face, so let's move straight towards sketching the outline of the mask. I'm using brown eyeliner pencil to do that. Okay, I'm drawing the outline slowly and the line should not be perfect for now because we will be making it perfect in a while. After the outlining is done, I am going to use Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in shade 220 Natural Base. I'm applying the foundation inside the outline of the mask with a flat brush. Don't stress if the product goes outside the line because, as I have said before, we will be cleaning it afterwards with a tissue. To blend the foundation and to soak any excess product, I'm using damp beauty blender and blending it. This foundation is full coverage and it has concealed everything, so I'm applying Wet n Wild concealer in light medium base to highlight my under eyes. This concealer is lighter than my skin tone and it is perfect for highlighting. And to set the concealer, I'm using Airspun loose powder with a beauty blender. Foundation and concealer is done. Now let's move towards brows. For brows, I'm using Anastasia brow pomade in medium brown. First, I'm using a spoolie and brushing my brows here. After that, I'm taking the product in the angle brush and drawing the lines. After drawing lines, I am filling my brows with the product slowly. I'm so happy today because I have to make only one brows and I don't know why my brows never look similar. I think they are enemies. Now stop rambling and again move towards brows. Once again, to spread all the products, I'm using spoolie and brushing my brows. Using the same concealer, I'm cleaning my brows and using it as an eyeshadow primer. For eyeshadow, I'm using BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette. First, I'm taking yellow shadow in a small blending brush and packing it in my inner crease. I'm packing it 2 to 3 times to get better pigmentation. For second color, I'm taking pink shadow in a packing brush and applying it in the middle of my crease. Following the same step, I'm applying blue shadow with the same technique. For now, I will be packing the shadow and don't think about blending because we will be blending it afterwards. To darken the yellow shadow, I am taking orange shade and applying it to my inner crease and start blending the pink and orange together. After that, with a clean blending brush, I am blending all the shadow together and removing any harsh line. Now I'm cutting my crease with the concealer. I'm using same Wet n Wild concealer. You can use any concealer to cut the crease. For cutting crease, we always start slowly and take our time, and I'm also doing the same. In Nikki's tutorial, she has applied the orange liner in her crease. I don't have any orange liner, so I'm taking orange shadow and applying it with a liner brush. Now I'm applying white shimmer shade on my lids. Now moving towards eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm using Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner and drawing a wing liner. I'm also extending the liner in my inner corners. In lower lash line, I'm using orange shadow in outer parts and yellow shadow in inner parts and blending it with a small blending brush. To get the better pigmentation, I'm applying shadow 2 to 3 times. I'm curling my lashes to apply mascara, and for mascara I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara and applying mascara on my upper lashes and lower lashes. For bronzer I'm using Hoola bronzer, and with a fluffy angle brush I'm bronzing my face. And for blush I'm using Jordana blush. To melt all the powders together I'm using facial mist and spraying all over my face. For highlighting my face I'm using e.l.f. highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. I'm applying highlighters to my cheekbones, tip of my nose, cupid's bow and chin area. Usually these are the areas we highlight. And to highlight the inner corners I'm using white eyeliner. For setting the brow hair I'm using Essence Make Me Brow Mascara. For completing the eye look I'm applying false lashes, and I have applied rhinestone off camera as Nikki has also applied rhinestone for this look. I'm taking a wet tissue and removing all the excess product that has passed through the outlining of the mask. For lips I'm using Essence lip liner and Anastasia liquid lipstick in Hot Sun. After removing all the excess product, I'm shading the mask with a bronzer. You can use any bronzer or a brown eyeshadow. As seen in picture, Nikki has applied white liner to draw some line and create that plastic face mask effect, but I know I will mess this, so I'm carefully applying the liner on my lips. I'm using the same liner with a small flat brush and applying it inside the outline and blending it. Finally, this optical illusion makeup mask is complete, and I am setting my face with setting spray. Thank you for watching this video. I know this is not perfect, but I think I have done my best to recreate this look. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.